Chemical bonding, previous JEE questions I am discussing here, which is September they came all these questions. So really you are preparing for JEE, try to read NCERT book line to line. If you are preparing perfectly NCERT, then more than enough, sir. No need to follow any institute material, even institute coaching also. So anyway, this is the basic. We can apply direct formula, then you can calculate. Question is, which of the following has the weakest bond? Weakest bond means first you have to find out bond energy directly proportional to bond order and inversely proportional to bond order. This is the principle. Okay. So bond order nothing but number of bonds between two atoms. So you can assume that more the number of bonds between any two atoms that have more bond energy. You can find out here n triple one, nothing but number of threads. If three threads is there, you can't break easily. Two little bit easy to break. One thread you can break it like that. Okay. The number of bonds between two atoms nothing but bond order. Anyway, you can see here one by one. So we have that one MOT electronic configurations is before up to 14 electrons, after 14 electrons, we have different electronic configurations. You can find out like sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, and so on. You can write it. Then after writing, you can calculate number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons by 2. That's nothing but equal to bond order. So by using this, you can calculate. So you have to write 4 times electronic configuration, then you can find out. This is the way regularly. But I am trying to give small trick. Even you can find out same trick in my videos, also YouTube videos. Just look into here. Very simple. So nitrogen, we have 7 electrons. Oxygen, 8 electrons. So total NO means 15 electrons. Here you can write 15 electrons. NO minus means extra 1 more electron, 16 electrons. NO2 plus means 15 minus 2. You can write it. So 13 electrons you can get it. NO plus means 15 minus 1. So 14 electrons. So we have a relation, even I given the small trick. Number of electrons, bond order. You can find out here. Number of electrons, we have that one. Suppose 14 electrons, you know very well. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is 13, 12, 11, 10. So n triple bond n. 14 electrons means n triple bond n. That's you know that one. N triple bond n means 3 bonds. Bond order is 3. So you can write 3. Then decrease 0.5. 2.5 to 1.5, 1. Same thing here also, 2.5 to 1.5, 1. So if you know this is, you don't want to write that electronic configuration, you can find out very fast all the answers. Whatever they given bond order related questions, you can find out very easily. Now we can check it here, bond orders. So 14 electrons means 3 bond order. 13 electrons means 2.5. 16 means 2. 15 means again, how much you can expect? 2.5. Get it? So these are the bond orders. So which one have highest bond order here? NO please. So which one have the highest bond order means that have more bond energy. So the strongest bond. Got it? So next step, which is the weak bond? Which one is the lowest bond order? That you can find out here. NO minus what is the bond order? 2. So this is the lowest bond order. So this is the weakest bond. Things you understood from this table. Because 16 electrons, you can check it here, bond order is 2. Got it? So things you understood this is very easily you can find out. So bond order directly proportional to bond energy or bond strength. Got it? Next one. Structure of SF6 is octahedral. What is the structure of SF4, including the lone pairs? Yeah. SF6 octahedral anyway they given. We don't want to think about this one. Then SF4 they given. I can find out first hybridization. To calculate hybridization, we have different formulas. I am using simple formula. Steric number equal to number of atoms attached to the central atom, number of atoms attached to the central atom plus lone pairs. So anyway, here sulfur you can get 6 electrons, you can write it. Then SF4 means you can write each fluorine can form single bond. Then last one is lone pair. So you can count total here. So 4 atoms attaches plus 1 lone pair, total 5. 5 nothing but sp3d. So this is the answer. sp3 means generally trigonal bipyramidal. Okay, trigonal bipyramidal. So answer is 1. Answer is 1. But shape is here seesaw geometry. This directly from NCERT book question. Directly NCERT book question. So that's why if you study NCERT book properly, you can get everything perfectly. You don't want to go any coaching center also. Okay. So geometry is seesaw, shape you can get geometry is trigonal bipyramidal and shape is seesaw. Next structure of XeF5 minus. Please check this question. So first we have to calculate hybridization. That is the first target. First target calculation of hybridization. Should we write? So we can get it hybridization first. XeF5 minus same pattern you can write. Nothing else. This is not that difficult. XeF5 minus. So xenon generally we can get it 8 electrons. Steric number you are calculating. Okay. But here they given minus also one more they given. You can write F F here 5 bonds. Then 3 electrons equal to lone pair. So total how many here? Steric number equal to 5 plus 2. 7. 7 means sp3 d3. So pentagonal bipyramidal is the geometry generally. Pentagonal bipyramidal. So but here lone pairs is there. Based on lone pairs, they are going to be change structure pentagonal planar. Because of lone pairs, that become pentagonal planar. So this we can take it. Xenon. So this is. You can write all the F here. 7 bonds. Total 5 here they given. We can keep lone pair. So this is the expected one. Then you can find out pentagonal. What you can get it here? Pentagonal planar. These are 5. That's why pentagonal. Pentagonal planar. Next one they given XeO3F2. Yes, that's also you can find out. XeO3F2. Doesn't matter, right? Xenon, 8 electrons, you can write it. So each oxygen can form double bond. I can take 2p electrons here. Then take it fluorine, fluorine. You can count here 3 atoms plus these are 2 sigma bonds. Total 5 only, no? Total steric number. Total attached number of atoms is 5. 5 means sp3d. sp3d. So this is trigonal bipyramidal. Got it? Xenon. Can get it? So more electronegative atoms prefer to stay axial positions, and less electronegative atoms prefer to stay equatorial positions. So this is the thing. This is trigonal pyramid. Got it? Next one. If a compound AB4 is polar, polar means mu equal to not equal to 0. That is possible geometries. So this is by observing you perfectly from NCERT book, you can get it answer. Very logical question. AB4 means, so suppose tetrahedral. This is perfect symmetric, then dipole moment equal to 0. So this should not be tetrahedral. First thing, you can eliminate this option. Tetrahedral means perfect geometry, any symmetrical geometry without lone pairs, then dipole moment is 0. So if there is no dipole moment means that is symmetrical, no lone pairs. But here they are telling dipole moment. So that's the reason. So this is not possible. Tetrahedral is not possible. Then square planar they are telling. Square planar means sp3d2 you can take it. Then find out here 4 sigma bonds plus 2 lone pairs, like this type of structure. And A, B, so this type of they're expecting. Square planar. Okay. Then here one lone pair, here one lone pair. And seesaw geometry means you can check it. Seesaw geometry means already I given SF4 also. You can find out A, F. So here B you can take it. Here lone pair of electrons. Got it? So this chance is there. But this also mu equal to 0. Square planar means mu equal to 0. Question is dipole moment should not be 0. Here also 0 because symmetrical this is. But here lone pair is there, but this asymmetrical. Mu not equal to 0. I'm drawing all the structures on. Okay. Square pyramidal also you can try it. This is a square pyramidal. This is seesaw. This is square planar. This is tetrahedral. And last one square pyramidal. I'm drawing. You can take it here. But square pyramidal is that is the shape of the molecule. But A, B, 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 B. This should be there here, square. Okay. So this is square, then looking pyramidal. But itself the structure is not existing with respect to AB4. The only option is seesaw geometry. Dipole moment will be there. Polar covalent. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you like, you can subscribe. If you don't like, means leave it. No issue. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.